Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making a new soap for me. This is Fresh Sparkling Snow from Bath & Body Works. The fragrance is from BeScented, but this is a new fragrance to me. I made candles with it, but I didn't make soap. I've already mixed everything in. Right now I'm adding what is called the Fairy Dust from BeScented, and it is a biodegradable glitter, and it adds a nice little spark. It adds a really nice sparkle to your batter. And it works well in melt and pour, obviously, and I guess I just needed as much as possible, so I added a bunch more. Sometimes you can always add more, you can't take it out. So adding that in to my batter. This fragrance is really lovely. Last year I had made candles with it, and I hadn't made bath bombs. I hadn't made soap with it. But the fragrance description is orange zest, melon balls, wild berries, and a touch of exotic musk. It's kind of a weird description, but it smells fantastic. It's really fresh and clean, and it's a really lovely scent. It obviously does not accelerate, and so what I had decided to do is just leave it mostly white, just because it's fresh sparkling snow, and it's not going to discolor, which is nice. And then I'm just going to add some blue. I am using the Blue Skies mica from BeScented. So I'm going to get my batter white and then go ahead and add the blue in. All right, and then for this one, I did actually want the batter to be a little bit thicker than what I normally pour. That was very intentional, and you'll see in a moment why. But I'm just going to go ahead and get my batter in, do a little bit of a swirl, and then I'll bring you back for the top. All right, so I have got my batter pretty much ready. I'm running to grab my embed, I guess not embeds, I guess toppers is what you would call them. But I had made these snowflakes before out of cold process a couple days ago, and so they're ready to go. You can get the mold from BeScented. It's a really nice size mold, and you could actually I didn't fill the mold the whole way up. I just kind of did half of the mold to make the snowflakes because I knew I wanted to be able to cut through them. But you could obviously, do half of the, you could do the full size and just do really nice snowflake molds. So here I'm just kind of setting them out, and then I had some extra white space kind of in between each mold. I decided to go ahead and cut up the snowflakes to add more. I guess on second thought, I probably wouldn't have. I don't dislike it, but I think it makes the soap a little too busy. I probably would have just kept the snowflakes as they are. But again, really like this mold, and I think Fresh Sparkling Snow, I just felt like the blue was a nice color to add for the toppers.